Hello guys, good day and welcome to another interesting tutorial on Learn With Me series. What we are talking about today is the divider pockets of inside of a bag, how to cut out your zip and how to fix your zip and the rest of it. So initially I'm going to be talking about the measurement. So the bag we are going to be using to take the measurement today, the height of the bag is 6.5, while the length of the bag is 10.5. So initially, if you check this side, the zip itself, the divider is measured 10 by 6.5. So you take off the half inch, because at the end of the day, in the inside, we don't want the pocket to extend to the outside of the bag from the side, which is the gusset and the bottom as well. So we remove that half inch because we are going to sew it. So at the end of the day, this 6, you are going to do 6 times 2, which is 12. So you measure 12 by 10 and you fold that 12 into 2, is going to give you 6 by 10. So that is, you are going to cut the measurement of your zip from the center. So what you are going to do now for you to get your zip is you remove 1 inch from the left side, you remove 1 inch from the right side. So at the end of the day, where you are going to cut out is going to give you 8. Then you cut 8 by 1.5 centimeter. Your 8 is 8 inch. Meanwhile, the 1.5 is centimeter, which is metrics, and your 8 inch is imperial. So that's what you are going to cut out. But if you want to cut your zip cloth, you are going to cut out 9 or 9.5, because you want, after you finish fixing your zip, you want extra side for the zip. So in case if anything should happen, you have excess. It's not as if maybe you are going to pull off the chain and change it. uh it's not as if you are, pardon me, it's not as if you are going to pull off the zip cloth and change it. So since you have excess from the inside, you can just use that to adjust your work. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, as I will be showing you the rest of the process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you are watching this, and when you subscribe, also turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload another tutorial on this channel. Leave in the comment section below what you think of this video after you finish watching it. You can also share this with people you know it might be of help to them. So guys, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. So without no further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the tutorial. So the way this one is like this is the full length of it, how it's going to be. So we are going to fold it this way, and you sew this side just like we did this. So we didn't start early, but you see, before we start fixing the zip, you cut out the side you want that is going to be enough to show your zip, to expose your zip this way. Then you apply your gum to the under, the beneath the material. You apply your gum to top of the zip. Make sure the gum is not touching the coil of the zip, because you want your work to be very neat, just like the way we make this one. You see, you can't even see any exposed gum. So after that, you gum it down. After you gum it down, then you stitch the top. So this is how we make the bag, the pocket of inside of a bag exactly. So I hope you guys understand this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.